The target for today is to find the equation of the normal line to a curve at a particular point. So here's the first question. So find the equation of the normal line to this quadratic equation at this particular point. So in terms of imagining it, you can have a quadratic function like this, and then you have a point, for example, negative. So this is the point P, -1, -12, and then I have a grade. This is my tangent line, for example, and the normal line is the one that is perpendicular to my tangent line, like that. So the red one is my normal line. Right. So in order to find this equation of the normal line, I need to have y minus y0 equal to m times x minus x0. Right. So first of all, let's check, do I have a point? x0, y0, for example, this thing. Yes, we do. That's the point P. Right, that is x0 in this case is -1 and y0 is equal to -12. That's good. And next thing is to check, do I have m? That is the gradient of this normal line. Unfortunately, I don't, but the gradient is just going to be m is equal to -1 over the gradient function y dash at that particular point x0. So in my case, this is -1 over y dash of -1. So this is what I need to start with. I need to start by looking for this thing. Okay? So what is y dash then? Y dash is just going to be doing the derivative term by term. Power comes down. Power is reduced by 1. And then the derivative of a constant is just going to be 0. So that's going to be 6 times x. And the derivative at -1 at x0, right here. So 6 times -1 is just going to be -6. But that is the gradient of my tangent line. But at the moment, we don't want tangent line, we want normal line. So that means m in this case is going to be -1 over y dash of -1, which is -1 over -6, which is 1/6. So now my equation of the normal line at P, which is -1, -12, is just simply going to be written as this: y minus -12. As usual, when you are dealing with a negative, it's best to use a bracket for clarity. And then 1/6 times x minus -1. Again, you can see that I use a bracket for the value in negative value. So now I'm going to simplify that. So this is just negative become positive. And over here, again, negative become positive. Y plus 12 equal to 1/6 times x plus 1. That is 1/6x plus 1/6 y minus 12. Or this is x/6. And then that going to be minus 11 of 5/6. Right. So here's the answer. This is the normal line to the curve at P. Now let us look at another question.